pleased to show you the 2016 Forester. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, ambient lighting, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, power steering, cargo area light. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.